The 27-inch iMac that we use at PCMag to import and edit footage captured during our drone and camera testing is a few years old and ready for an upgrade. Apple recently sent us a brand new $5,000 iMac Pro to test out, so we decided to find out what sort of performance improvements we can look forward to if we decide to splurge on this Intel Xeon-powered machine with AMD Radeon Vega graphics. Here we have our photo and drone expert, Jim Fisher, using Adobe Premiere Pro to play 360-degree footage shot at 5.2K resolution. That's the maximum that the GoPro Fusion camera supports. Even just playing back footage at this resolution in Premiere can be difficult, and that was certainly the case on Jim's older iMac, which dropped frames left and right during playback, making editing extremely difficult. Meanwhile, the iMac Pro smoothly displays every frame without breaking a sweat. When it comes time to export, the iMac estimated 4 hours to finish our 5-minute video, while the iMac Pro was showing a mere hour and 30 minutes. This might be an extreme example, because most of your projects probably won't take this long to export, but it definitely gives you an idea of just how much time you stand to save when making a big upgrade like this. Our next stress test took us into Adobe Lightroom, where Jim opened a series of photos he took on a Phase 1 camera that shoots massive 100-megapixel photos. The iMac needed around 10 seconds to show a non-pixelated preview every time you advanced to the next image, while the iMac Pro managed the same task in just 6 seconds. And when it came time to take those images from Lightroom to Photoshop, the iMac Pro was also a lot faster, as you can clearly see here since you're watching it in real time. Once we're in Photoshop, applying a complicated, resource-intensive filter like radial blur is a cinch thanks to the iMac Pro. It finished blurring a raw image in just 7 seconds compared with 17 seconds for our iMac, which is what we were seeing pretty much everywhere, to be honest. The time savings might not seem huge, but the time you save each step of the way really adds up. So it's clear that the iMac Pro would make our photo and video editing a lot easier, but that's not necessarily the case for photographers and videographers who don't shoot 4K and above, or manipulate these 100-megapixel photos. Everyone stands to benefit from small time savings here and there, but the big advantages really come to those working on very taxing workloads. To find out if this pricey performance powerhouse is right for you, check out our full review at PCMag.com.